All right, I've been hearing about deleting a wiring harness on this Bobcat head for a long time, and I never was clear on how to do it. And so I thought, I'm only going to do it once, so let me go ahead and record it, and if it helps somebody else, great. All right, so far what I've done is removed, this is the main wire that comes down from the machine. These two, actually, and there's this other harness in here. These connect together on this one, and then this also plugs into this piece down here. There's a couple of plug-ins, several plug-ins on this. Okay, so this one plugs in right there. This one plugs in to this. All right, and then I went ahead and removed these other two pieces that also plug into this piece down here, and then these two wires ran underneath. This one ran to this solenoid, which I think is the brake solenoid, and then there's another solenoid right there, or right down there, that has these two running to it. And so first of all, I just unplugged all of those, and now I got a 3/4 inch wrench, and I loosened the top nut on this solenoid, and then I'm just gonna wiggle this solenoid out of there. I need something bigger, I'm not sure what size. There you go. This is a, what is that? That's a 7/8. I'm going to take this, whoop, there you go, take that plunger out. My understanding is you take this to the hydraulic shop and ask them for a plug to replace this, and so you get a plug, screws back in there, and apparently that's it. So I'm going to do this to both of these. Taking off the top nut, which just needs a little bit of turning to get it loosened up. Just spin that off. Take this solenoid, pull that whole thing off. So I've got these two right here. Whoop.
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you please say that again?
And then, again, 7/8 inch looks like. Oops, right one. Take this plunger out. Turn it long enough to get it so you can get it out with your fingers. goes. Come on, there we go. All right, and there's that one. So that's what I got. I'm going to take these two to the hydraulic shop, get plugs for that, and my understanding is the brakes will be off. Basically this will just be hydraulically controlled from the other machine. So basically I'm making this machine so it'll work on a different machine that's not a Bobcat. So I just want to take all the electronics controls off of it and so basically it'll disable the brake, and it'll just make it so that it's just controlled as a regular hydraulic implement. So hope that's helpful. I just learned all this about 10 minutes ago, so thanks for watching. All right, now I'm back from the hydraulic shop. I got these two little pieces right here. Got a 5/16 inch hex head. That one goes right there. Alright, other one, back here. And torque it down good. That should be it. I'm gonna go give it a test here in a few minutes.